All right, this is part 3 of this diabolical cutting of this key here. Let's see it open. Barely goes in. You can only kind of get it. I can't even get it backwards anymore. This key barely works. This is just so extreme. We got to repin this lock, man. I can't even do this. Let's take this thing apart. Let's take it apart and see what's really going on in there, because I feel like maybe I could pin it better. I feel like I got it right, and it's just diabolical to pick. But it's gotta be smoother than that to open again. Let's just close this up for a minute. Open this lock and look and see what is going on here. All right. What do we need? Tools. Okay. Oh yeah. Good Schlage hardware here. Oh yeah, just take a minute. Okay. This guy's out of here. This guy aside. This guy in here. I'm gonna get this in here before I. All right. Oh, I guess the key wasn't going to come through that hole, was it? Now, is this core really sloppy? Because I don't think it... No. Too much slop? Let's tighten that up and see if it was just sloppy. This pick is so thin, I can't even with that. All right. I'm gonna try with this guy. Push this down. Screw that tighter. Could have been a bit tighter. And then over there. Let's see. Does that make it better? Ooh. Nope. No, it's very... Very tight. Okay, well, let's just take it apart. Let's take it apart and see what is going on. I'm used to this thing right here. What's this guy? Piece. Drop this guy out. Now this, I have to, man, I'm gonna have to turn this. That wax, get in there. I am not going to be able to take this out without this turning. Huh. So that means I'm gonna have to put this in. This. My little rubber holder here. I gotta be careful with this one because it's got the, maybe I should have, I don't know. Oh, okay, I got it. Okay, good, all right. Right. Plug follower. Here we go. Go in focus. Get it all lit up here properly so we can see. I want it like that. Slide that through. Aha. Okay, well, I can see my pinning is not the greatest now. And then there is definitely some high and low ones. And I think I could have something better. Whoa! I forgot it does that. Well, that's gone forever. Yeah, that's gone forever. Okay. We are going to pin this up with some better things here. Better pins. Try to get this to be nice and flush. If this is in, I don't want to be able to pick anything out like that. And these are too low. So we need to find, this one's right. This one looks right, feels right. It's just flush, perfectly flat across there. So next time I'm gonna put, I think that was a 9. Let's put that in, let's see what happens. It's a flat. Yeah, I don't know. I can kind of pick that out of there. Oh, now it feels good. See, that's what I had a hard time with. Just getting everything just right here. Try to get this out. See, look how high those jump. You push this key in, explode out of there. Huh. Can't even get it in now. Weird. It's moody. It's a very moody key. Take this one out. And put in one a little bigger. I think this is bigger. Let's see. Nope, same. It's the same. Want to go one higher. Let's try that. Is it too much now? No. That looks beautiful and flush. This, too high. Let's try a number 8. Nope, that was definitely the wrong size. How did that happen? All right. Number 8, here we go. Boom. Okay, flush. Looking pretty good. This one's a little high. Almost. Yeah, I don't know. I guess when you push on it, it goes down. Very moody. Very moody. So when this in all the way though, those are all pretty much flush. Holy moly. Wow. And the last guy here. Nope. This a little bigger one here. Too much. We'll go with the number 4 or number 1. One here. Oh, let's try. Yeah. Okay. So now we're looking pretty flush across there. It's pretty hard to get these all just right. That one looks a bit low. But when you push the key, this one kind of comes up. Let's see. Let's see if it'll even go in here. Okay, here we go. Okay. Let's see how this turns. Ooh, smoother. Okay, cool. Oh, an improvement. Cool. All right, let's leave that. Oh, we can take this out now. Get out. Key out, that's locked in place. We don't have to worry about that falling out anymore. We'll put our little spring pin back in here. Let's go with that. Yeah. That. Put this little guy back on. Oh, you know what I was? Yeah, that's what I did. I would put this on here like that, cover the hole, right? Then put this guy on there. It's going to press it down for you, and then let you screw it on a couple of turns before it catches. Oh, I didn't do that. Oh, it's still okay. Oh no, it's not. I got to do that right. If you do it right though, it'll let you get this on here a couple of turns without it. What do we do? It's this. This. Oh shit. Well, let's just try it. Let's put this on. Go. push this little dude down. Screw it in. Back until it clicks. Slide this thing over here. Go. There. See how sloppy the core is here. It's good. It's not moving back and forth this way, which is, it can bind. Okay. Still stubborn to go in. Ooh, but it locks. Oh, it turns it real nice now. Yeah, it's an improvement from my crazy cut key here. Let's tighten this up a little more. Let's see what happens. Couple turns. There we go. And then back it off too. Click. That seems to be, for these Schlag, a happy place. Yeah. Nice. Extreme bitting. Okay, cool. Let's put it back in here. Here, like that. This guy back in here. Okay, this back on here. Oh, is that in right? Oh, no, it's not. I can see it's not. There we go. Looks good. Let's see if this one will go. It's good. Okay, in and in. Good and good. And does it work? Yeah. Oh, kind of. Can we pick it? I don't know. It's gonna be a little bit smoother to do it though. Hopefully. Let's see here. Ooh, that is just still. That don't feel right in there. I'm just gonna cover the camera while I spray this in here. Okay. There we go. A little lube in there. Smooth it out. Fresh pinned lock. Wow, I don't know, man. Crazy. Nasty. Let's see if the key works. Oh yeah. Nasty. I don't think anyone's gonna be picking that one, man. I don't know. I might have caught a good one here. That's smoother now. Well, my pinning skills have improved. It's a good thing. But wow. That works better. I'm happy about that. But this is not pickable. which is a good thing, I suppose, for a customer. But for a locksmith, this is like voodoo in here, man. When you stick the pick in here, it didn't even go in. Like, it didn't even go in, man. Like with nothing in there. Like, that's just not nice. Whatever's going on in there. And there's nothing going on in there. That's the crazy thing, is it's just a crazy cut key. There's no security pins. There's no master pin or wafer pins or T pins. Or it's just voodoo in there, man. I don't even know. Like, I can fit this in here, but I know that's not going to work. Like, let's try. Will it even go in? It goes in fairly smoothly. It just doesn't feel like anything's happening at all. This is a diabolical lock for sure. And I pinned this up a long time ago, and I couldn't pick it then, and I cannot pick it now. And I even, man, I don't know. Pick it this way, I don't know if it's even doable. Holy moly. Oh, it just feels, oh, nasty in there, man. Like, if you can barely get the key in. I mean, look how the key goes in. You barely. Now, see, now it's starting to get weird. Now it's starting to act weird. Oh, you gotta push it all the way. All the way in. All the way back. Wow. Well, there you go, guys. There's a voodoo key right there, man. Very hard to pick.